Good morning everybody, and this is your DAX day trade setup for today. So I've just got those three levels still drawn in from yesterday. A couple of things that is really concerning me about the daily chart at the moment. Firstly is the potential for a triple top. So we had a shooting star there. We had, I don't know what to call that, probably a piercing pattern, so gap up and then closed sort of halfway down the daily body. And then we have another shooting star or hanging man that formed yesterday. Now, oscillators have crossed over on the daily, so that is an indication of either ranging, but you can see if you look here, we had one of them cross over, one of them stayed normal, and it just ground higher, and then you had both of them crossing over to the downside, but we still ground higher. So you can't really just read into that. I think the point for me at the moment is it is looking extremely tired. It's looking very, very overbought. Look at the 3 hour, same thing happened here. So we've had a top and then another top here. It is a lower high at the moment. Buyers did come in. You can see those pin bars there. But we do have a bit of a magnet to the downside, and we actually got a lot of magnets to the downside. There's lots of gaps down here. I'm not actually interested in buying into this market right now. So yes, the trend is up, but for me at the moment, I need some serious structure. And this here is a potential double top. So it all depends where we open. So I think we are more than likely going to be gapped up. Just give me a second, I'll get there. DAX futures is up 0.2%, 14,143. So we're pretty much up at the highs of yesterday. I'm not convinced. So just look at this, look at my oscillators. We are at a level, I need to be careful. I am being careful. I'll wait for the pullback. So the pullback I'd be waiting for, first one would be at the gap here, but that's not good enough for me. I don't think that's a viable entry. I'd be looking for something between 14056 and 14041. That is what I'd be looking for as an entry. This double bottom here is still in play as well. So here's the first bottom, second bottom, there's the neckline, but I want us to retest that. So in other words, I'm looking for a gap close, come back, find some structure here that would get me, potentially get me long, but we'll have to wait and see. But anyway, I will let you know on the Telegram channel if that happens. In fact, I haven't taken a DAX trade in, I think in almost well over a month. I'll actually check my journal, but I don't think I've taken a DAX trade in quite some time. And that purely because of this chaos that we've been in. Anyway, guys, that's kind of my confused outlook for Europe at the moment. The euro is strong. Just keep that in the back of your mind. So the euro is pretty strong at the moment as well. And there's a lot happening with the pound. But I think for me, if we come back into the structure, which is almost 50% the range, I think I will take a stab at it for another retest at top. But this is our range. We are ranging. So pullbacks by as your stop areas below these swing lows down here. So you also need to look at that as well, make sure the position size is correct. Anyway, that's my view today. I hope it helps you somewhat. Don't think it's helping me much, and we'll catch up with you bright and breezy tomorrow morning. Cheers for now.